సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అఫ్సర్ టెక్ వరల్డ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ అండ్ ప్రెస్ బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనము టోఫెల్ ప్రైమరీ లిజనింగ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చూద్దాము. క్లాస్ 3, 4 and 5.
Listening test.
Questions 1 through 15 are picture questions. Listen and choose the correct picture. Question number 1. It is red. It is round. Question number 2. It is a cow. It looks angry. Question number 3. It has many windows. It has wheels. Question number 4. It is a bird. It is yellow. Question number 5. It is sitting. It has long ears. Question number 6. She is standing. She is wearing a sweater. Question number 7. It has a string. It is round. Question number 8. It is long. You write with it. Question number 9. Its front is pointy. It flies in the sky. Question number 10. It is green. It is on a rock. Question number 11. Its nose is flat. Its legs are short. Question number 12. It is open. It has many lines inside. Question number 13. There are animals. They are reading a book. Question number 14. It is raining. The girl has an umbrella. Question number 15. The girl is sitting. She is playing the piano.
Listening test.
Question number 1. It is round. Some lines are on it. Question number 2. It has many windows. Its roof is green. Question number 3. It is oval. A crack is on it. Question number 4. It is brown. Some eggs are in it. Question number 5. It is round. It is in the sky. Question number 6. It is round. A diamond is on it. Question number 7. This is a flower. Its color is pink. Question number 8. It is a rectangle. It has buttons on it. Question number 9. It has 4 blades. The blades make wind. Question number 10. The man is wearing a short t-shirt. He is running. Question number 11. It has a lid. It has 2 handles. Question number 12. It is a bird. It is not flying. Question number 13. The boy plays with animals. They are playing outside. Question number 14. A boy is running. 2 men are playing tennis. Question number 15. Animals are in the book. The duck wears a hat.
Listening test.
Question number 1. It is sitting. It has long fur. Question number 2. He is an old man. He wears a crown. Question number 3. It is pink. It has a handle on it. Question number 4. It is sitting. It is wearing a red scarf. Question number 5. It has a long handle. Steel is on it. Question number 6. It has a long tail. It has 4 legs. Question number 7. It is food. It is cut into 8 pieces. Question number 8. It has 4 legs. Its upper part is flat. Question number 9. It has strings. You can play music with it. Question number 10. It is tall. Orange flowers are in it. Question number 11. It is red. You wear it on your shoulder. Question number 12. It is food. Someone cut 1 slice of it. Question number 13. It is at night. The monkey is in the tree. Question number 14. Many things are on the table. The girl has milk. Question number 15. The woman is in the house. The boy is crying.